Lagos, E1 is coming. Let's go.
Lagos, are you ready? Because something exciting is coming to your city in October. Yep, just in case you guessed, it's the E1 World Championship. I'm sure you're wondering, what is this about? The world's first all-electronic powerboat race happening in Africa, and this happens to be the very first of its kind. It's going to be taking place in Lagos State, Nigeria. How cool is that? Now imagine high-speed boats racing across the lagoon in nearly 100 kilometers per hour. Are you excited like I am? Of course you should be. I'm talking zero emissions and maximum excitement, the unique blend of innovation and sustainability. If you're ready to race into the future just like I am, then get ready for a fantastic time in October. Remember, do not miss out on this exciting opportunity to experience the future of motorsport.
Respect, medals on my neck, on my neck, on my neck, tell them I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. When they talk